But you want to bring your hands right under your shoulders, and you can actually stay in this position for a little while. You can bring your knees slightly behind your hips so you get a little bit of that plank pose feel. And before we get into plank pose, I want you to tell yourself, I choose not to tighten anywhere.
I recommend not considering this a plank because it frankly is not. At the same end, at the other end of the spectrum rather, going all the way down like this is also not a plank. You're letting yourself sink and you are not working your abs close to whatever. So really stay away from that. And then lastly, this is just a complete collapse and a sad attempt at a plank. Alright, so the number one is the leg arm lift for the plank. So here Kyle is going to go ahead and demonstrate lifting the arm. This is going to transfer.
Weeks we've been focusing on your neck placement and shoulder placement and the relationships with your ribs and your breathing mechanics. So when we get into a plank, what we're really looking at is the placement of your ribs in relationship to the pelvis and how your shoulders are resting on the rib cage. Not only that, but we're looking at the placement of the head in relationship to the ribs and the rest of your spine. Oftentimes when we exhibit posture imbalances, the neck will glide forward. So Ryan, if you want to show them what it looks like, your head will start to crane back and you'll jump down towards the table as your extensor.
Let's go.
Together. It's really important to remember that plank is about your abdominals, and that the more you can press away from the floor using your arms and your legs, the stronger that you're going to feel. Keep breathing, and every time you exhale, draw that navel closer to your spine. Start with the forearms on the floor with the hands shoulder distance, and then step the legs back and squeeze them together.